大家好，欢迎回到我的频道，这是悟空。现在在我后面，你能看到我很小的时候会经常来爬山的地方。山里有一个瀑布，今天过去可能会游泳。今天是跟朋友一起来的，那我们就出发吧。When was the first time you came down here, man?
I've been coming down here since I was probably about 14, 15 years old. Just got a big waterfall. I'm going to climb on top of the waterfall and go to a smaller waterfall where we can actually swim.
This is just how we kind of grew up. Hey, did you want to go hike up to a waterfall and go swim?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, let's go. Sounds like a plan. What's up, dude? You ready?
I'm ready to go hiking.
So, we're here. We're going to hike up to Laurel Falls. Sound good?
I'm excited. Let's do it.
Let's do it. Let's go. There's snakes down here?
There's probably a couple 100,000 snakes.
Couple 100,000?
Area right here.
This whole area. I just remember like coming down here when I was a little kid. I would just go swim in the water and not even care. Now I'm kind of like nervous.
You better watch out for the big bears.
Big bears. Oh god, there's everything down here. What if we run into a bear, guys? See, I don't know about you guys, but when I see things like this, like these little rocks sticking out here and like rock walls, like I just want to climb. Ah! Hey, we're getting wet today, man. We're getting in it. I don't know where to go. It's crazy. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Yeah. How's the water feel? It's cold?
Yeah.
If that's okay.
Yeah.
What's up, guys? Hey, puppy.
What's your channel?
Oh, you're cute. It's like a bilingual channel. It's like the original version of Dragon Ball Z, but it came from China.
That's really cool.
Yeah, dude. What's your name?
Micah.
Micah?
Yeah.
Well, cool, man. Say hello.
Ni hao.
There you go. Hey, little puppy. You're cute. Hello.
Hi.
Nice to meet you guys. People are nice here, man. You're really friendly. Just say hello to everybody. We made it. There we go. That's what we wanted. Alright, WUKONG. If you just type that into YouTube, you'll see a bunch of my videos pop up.
Awesome.
Cool? Can you say ni hao?
Sure. Ni hao.
There you go. So your daughter used to live in China?
Yeah.
I just met someone who speaks Chinese. Say that again?
这个多少钱?
Yeah, 这个多少钱? Do you know what that means?
This, how much is it?
Yeah. Where did your daughter live?
She lived in Kunming, Chengdu.
Wow, I have a lot of friends in Chengdu. Have you ever been to China?
Yeah.
Hey, I met someone who's been to China. That's dope. 哎，我们还要上去。
Backwoods Island.
Yeah, there's a waterfall up here. 大瀑布后的小瀑布。
What do you think, Kyle?
I think I'm ready to go swimming.
Let's do it.
Go. All right, guys, it's time to go swimming. Let's get up there. It's so cold. So we just got back to the car. We're done with the hike. Thanks guys for coming out to Laurel Falls with us, jumping on some waterfalls with me. That was fun. Give this video a like and remember to follow my channel, okay? 不要忘记订阅我的频道啊！这是悟空，拜拜。